Let's solve this question. There are 4 carpenters A, B, C, D, and it is given A, B and C working together can build 120 chairs in 15 hours. So from here I can write the efficiency of these group or efficiency of this group when A, B and C are working, because all this data is giving in groups. B, C, D working together can build 140 chairs in 20 hours. C, D and A working together can build 80 chairs in 8 hours. D, A, B working together can build 132 chairs in 12 hours. So let's just assume the efficiency of these 4 carpenters be A, B, C and D. I'm calling the efficiency, I'm assuming the efficiency of these 4 carpenters be represented by these letters A, B, C and D. So I can write from here that A plus B plus C is equal to the efficiency of this group is 120 chairs can be built in 15 hours. So I can say they are making 8 chairs per hour. 8 chairs per hour. Similarly, for the second group, I can write B plus C plus D. This group is making 7 chairs per hour. Then C plus D plus A is making 10 chairs per hour. And last, D plus A plus B is making how much? 11 chairs per hour. It is given. Now, because these are given in groups and all these members, all these 4 carpenters are coming twice in these 4 equations, like A comes 3 times, B comes exactly 3 times. Best course of action in this type of case or in this type of question is to add these efficiencies. So add these 4 equations. I get, on adding I get 3 times of A plus B plus C plus D is equal to how much? 8, 7, 15, 25 and 36. So from here I get the combined efficiency of all the 4 carpenters, that is 12 chairs per hour. So from this given data I find these the efficiencies or the sum of efficiencies of all these 4 carpenters. Now A plus B plus C is already 8 chairs per hour and the efficiency of all 4 together is 12 chairs. So from here I can find the efficiency of individuals. D is missing. Efficiency of D would be, because sum is 12, sum of all the efficiencies is 12. A plus B plus C is 8. So efficiency of D would be 4. From here I get the efficiency of A as 5 chairs, efficiency of B as 2 chairs and efficiency of C as 1 chair per hour. Now, how much time in hours will be required by A to build 35 chairs working alone? Efficiency of A is 5 chairs per hour. Efficiency of A I got is A is making 5 chairs per hour. Now, how much time is required by A to build 35 chairs? So, in making 35 chairs, work has become 7 times. So, time would be needed 7 times. So, working alone per hour he is making 5 chairs. So, in 7 hours he will make 35 chairs. So, correct answer to this question is 7 hours.